Hi everyone, welcome back to Resuming channel. I'm Ivan and I'm again in charge of the kitchen today. Short time ago I prepared okra soup. Have you seen the video? Many of you requested from more of these videos, so I will prepare Egusi soup today. Egusi soup was the first soup I tested in Nigeria. So stay with us till the end of the video and let us know in the comment section what you think about it, okay? So let's go and I will introduce you to the ingredients we will use. Now I will show you the ingredients that I will be using for this egusi soup, okay? Here there is the main ingredient, that is egusi seed, also bitter leaf that is already washed. Remember to wash it before using it to remove the bitterness. Uziza leaves, but if you don't have Uziza leaf, you can use Uziza seed because they will give the soup the same taste. The meat, cow foot, beef meat, shaki, that is cow tripes, pomo, that is cow skin, the fish, I have okra, that is stockfish, a dry fish, crayfish, red bell pepper, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, don't forget also salt, seasoning cubes, and also red oil. So let's go to the main process. So to start the cooking process, I will start with the meat. I will add it in the pot, okay? My cow tripes, cow skin, cow beef, and cow leg, all together in the pot. Then I will also add my stockfish because they have the same cooking time, okay, the same cooking process. Now I will add the salt and also my seasoning cube. Onion, and finally little water. I will stir it a little just to mix the ingredients. Now I will cover it and allow it to cook till they are done. Okay? Now while our meat is cooking, I will go ahead and prepare the rest of the ingredients. I will start blending the egusi seed. So with my blender, okay, it's well blended. So I have finished blending the egusi. This is how it looks like. Do you know that these egusi seeds are very rich in proteins, also vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2 and vitamin C. Vitamin C helps the body absorb iron, so this soup is very recommendable for people with anemia. I will also blend my crayfish with my blender. This. Now it's time to blend my peppers, red bell pepper, habanero pepper and onion all together. I will be back when I'm done. I have blended it a little roughly, not smooth, but it's how I like it. Okay, our meat is already cooked. It's done, okay? You can see it. And now in another pot I will go ahead and add my red oil. And this is time to add our blended pepper, our blended onion, and I will stir it a little. So I have my blended egusi and also my blended onion that I added a little water, and I will mix them together. Okay, I will pour the onion and the egusi. Okay, just this way, and this is the consistency I'm looking for, okay? It's very well mixed now. Okay, now that our pepper is well fried, I will go ahead and add our dry fish. Our blended crayfish. And also our stock. I will stir it a little. And cover again. Now it's time to add our egusi bit by bit, okay? Bit by bit. I will now cover it and reduce my heat. So after 10 minutes I will now stir my egusi, our egusi, to see the consistency. Okay. I will now taste for seasoning and salt. I think it needs a little more salt. And now it's time to add our meat. So a little more stock, the remaining one. And I will mix it very carefully, gradually, to avoid any accident. Now I will cover it and allow it to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Wow! It smells so yummy. Now it's time to add our Uziza leaf. And also our bitter leaf. Now I will stir it very carefully and gradually. I think it needs a little water. Very nice. So I will cover again. And our soup is ready. Our Egusi soup is ready. So let us know in the comment section what do you think about my first time cooking Egusi soup. Which swallow would you like to enjoy this soup with? And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet, and also share this video. See you next time. Bye bye.